Christine Clegg is here, AR Workshop. Okay, we know how to breathe now.
Yep.
So here's the thing. Breathing is great. Now that we've done some breathing, we're going to learn how to do crafts and do some wonderful things.
Yes.
Caitlin is not familiar with AR Workshop, so you have to fill around on the scoop.
Yes, I will fill
It's pretty
Caitlin
cool.
in. We
All right.
are a new DIY studio. We're in the village of Wexford, and what you do is you come and take a class, and we offer these great wood signs. We have these cute little Lazy Susans. We have bigger Lazy Susans. We have frame signs. We have plank
Pillows,
signs,
pillows.
Yes, Debbie loves our pillows.
I love the pillows,
And
yes.
we have centerpiece boxes, all kinds of things for your home. It's very farmhouse, very modern, very cottage style. And the great thing is you get to personalize everything.
How does that work? You have to tell her how. Oh, look, so you got to be quick.
I have a quick question.
I love she raised her hand.
Well,
oh,
I
no,
love
you've got to just
acronyms,
go.
but just for the sake of clarity, what does DIY mean?
It's do it yourself.
Do it yourself.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Who
I like
knew,
that.
right?
And you come in and you start with the raw piece of wood, and we have an instructor for each table, and we show you how to sand it, how to put it together. You do it with the power tools.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this.
I know. it's another way of stress
It's
management.
like wood shop from high school.
It's totally, yes, it's totally in a little art class in
Yes.
between. Yeah, it's totally stress management. You come in and you bring wine.
And you do it in groups?
You do it in, well,
She missed the most important part.
yes, you bring wine,
Ooh, nice.
and we do the power tools in the beginning, so
That's
you're good.
Safety
So-
goggles.
Yeah, some safety goggles. So you bring wine. Yes, we will do one class. We will do a class for one person, but it's more fun to bring your girlfriends, obviously, and interact with them and see what you're going to do. And you start from the get-go with the wood, and we show you how to do it. And then it's all stencil work, so you don't have to be.
Oh, it is stencil work.
Yes, it's
okay,
so you
that
don't
looked
have
pretty,
to be, perfection artist. It's not freehand. We're not
Right.
showing you how to do it. Everyone does their own project. You sign up online. You pick what you want to do.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yep, you
How
pick
many
your own
folks
design.
can you accommodate at once? Like if Caitlin and I you do retreats, and on your retreat you have what, 15, 16 people? Could a group like that
Yes,
come in?
we can do 30.
Oh, wow.
Oh, can
A
you
class
really?
can hold 30 people.
And from an age point of view, can you do wee little, or is it more like 10 and above?
We do, like for Christmas, we had little ornament sessions, which would be for more little, because those
Okay.
are quick. And for Valentine's Day, we're offering cute little wood blocks.
Okay.
So those would be
No, I think you
smaller.
should do prana pillows.
That's a good idea, too.
Right?
I actually love arts and crafts, and I'm a busy person, and I have an art box that stays on the shelf for months, years sometimes, and I'm like, my paints. So this would be a good reason to get back into it.
Yeah.
Well, you talk about balance all the time. And I think that is kind of we look at exercise as self-care, but I think that could be self-care
Yeah,
too.
Because anytime you're using your creativity,
Yeah.
it feels good for the
Releasing
soul.
creativity, yeah, that's right. And not a lot of people have all these things in their home. So it's a lot easier just to come to us. We have everything. We have stains, we have paints, we have it all, and we have glitter.
How do we have glitter?
I love glitter.
Glitter! Yeah, there's the glitter group back there. They're all like, yay! How do we find you? Do we walk in? You said we could go online.
Yeah.
Give us some parameters.
You can go online. We're there mainly during class hours, but you can go online and check out everything there is to offer, because I have samples in the shop, but there's no way I have every sample. I mean, there are things that I'm like, oh, we have that too, and I don't even realize.
How did you get into this? We talked about how you kind of got into the fitness industry.
Well, art has always been like my side little
Okay.
hobby passion thing, and I didn't do it much with it after high school, and then after that I was like, this is fun, and it kind of mixes in the whole art, the whole chit-chatting with your friends, and
you're making money?
Yeah.
That's just wrong.
Wow. And it's super
Good for
fun.
you.
And we have these new clocks. We just came out with these.
It was pretty funny. She walks in, she goes, "No, you cannot buy it, Debbie."
That's
right.
You can't buy it
I
because
know,
it
every
has
time I
Air
see
Workshop.
something.
This is for the studio, but you can come in and make one for yourself.
I think those are pretty cool.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I know we've got to go and take a quick break, but it's a great hostess gift. It's all
I'm
great
planning a
wedding
party in my
gifts.
head right now.
Yeah.
I noticed that. Stay with us. There's more to come here on Girl Talk.